24/4/21. Dear brothers and sisters, Om Shanti. Sweet children, you become the masters of the world where there are no limits. It is wonder how you claim the kingdom of whole world with the power of yoga. Question: with which bond of drama is the father also bound? So Baba says, I have to come personally in front of you. I am bound by this bond. Unless I come, the tangled thread cannot be untangled. I don't come to give blessings or have mercy on you. I don't revive the dead. I come to purify you. So which bond has kept Father bound in this drama? So Baba says that I have to come personally and I have to purify you, children. How good bond this is. Dharna, blessing. May you be an elevated effort maker who uses the word effort in an accurate way and constantly move forward. May you be an elevated effort maker who uses the word effort in an accurate way and constantly moves forward. Sometimes the word effort becomes a very good justification when you are defeated or become a failure, isn't it? We use the word effort and says that we did our effort but we failed. When some mistake is made, you then say, I am still an effort maker. However, an accurate effort maker can never be defeated because the true meaning of the word effort is to move along while considering yourself to be the soul. Effort maker who stay in soul conscious stage continue to move along while always keeping their aim and destination in front of them. They never stop or let go of their courage or enthusiasm. So Baba is saying, everybody says that I did effort but I failed. We give justification by saying I am an effort maker. But you can only make true effort when you are in soul conscious stage. So continue to move along while keeping that you are a soul in mind. Slogan: maintain the awareness of being a master, almighty authority. This awareness keeps you aware of being the master. So you have to maintain awareness of being a master almighty authority. We have to keep this in mind that we are master almighty authority, and this awareness keeps us aware that we are a master. Thank you so much, Meethe Baba, for your blissful words. I'm sure we can incorporate us in our today's corporate day. Let's use the teaching of Baba to be the best where we are today. Om Shanti.